Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today I would like to show you how to make vegetable broth or vegetable stock out of your vegetable cuttings, okay? So come on, cook with Tita, and let's go to our few ingredients. First and foremost, you need a big pot, and then our flavoring. You don't want a lot of flavoring. You just want salt and black pepper, because if you're gonna store it for later use, you don't know what kind of soup or what kind of flavoring you want it. So just vegetable broth, we just want to put salt and black pepper. Okay, so we're going to put all of our cutting in this pot. I didn't put them in a pot yet because I wanted you guys to see what kind of cutting I have here. This is my asparagus cutting. Okay, this has been washed before I cut it, as you know. So they are all nice and clean, right? So we're gonna put that in there, and I am not going to throw my freezer Ziploc. I'm gonna wash them off with soapy water, hot and soapy water, and I'm gonna dry it, and for later use with another cutting. So I would put that over here and wash it later. Now this, another thing, my onion, my celery, so on and so forth, garlic, whatever, as long as they are clean and not rotten. So now I'm gonna put them all in here. This is my garlic peel that I save, that's nutritious. All of these things is nutritious. Okay, there's some more asparagus, like so. So I put it in there. All of this good Ziploc, I'm gonna reuse that when I'm saving all of my cuttings, by the way. Like I told you, I would put them in a freezer, okay? So that's all they are, my bell pepper and so on and so forth. That is good nutritious. Those are good nutritious, okay? You don't want to throw it away. You want to use this for later use, okay? So that's what they are. They're all nice, yummy goodness, okay? So put that in there. Put it all in there, like so, you see? That's why you need a big pot, okay? Your mushroom cutting, carrots, so on and so forth, okay? So now we're going to fill them up with water, like so over here. And then we are going to put flavoring now, okay, over here. All right, let's fill them up, and then we'll put them in a stove with a high heat at first. Let it boil. Once they start boiling, turn down your heat to simmer. Low, okay? Low. For 45 minutes to 1 hour. It depends what... You see, my cutting is not hard. So I would say 45 minutes, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. And then when I get done, I will show it to you how you do it, okay? I decided to show you how much water I put in a pot. You don't want that to overflow. That's how much water. See that? So now we are going to turn on the heat. For now, we're gonna go high. Let's cover it. We'll check in 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes is up. Oh, okay. Let me see. It's not boiling yet, but it's almost there. Now don't forget, like I said, when it start boiling, kind of push it down so that the top will submerge into the water, okay? So anywho, once it start boiling, simmer your stock to 45 minutes, okay? Once it start boiling. Okay guys, I just wanted to tell you that it took me 33 minutes to boiled my broth. So now I turn it down to low. We're gonna cover that like so, okay? Simmer 45 minutes. All right, guys, this is after 45 minutes boiling. Okay, simmering, that is. So now we have to separate the liquid from the vegetable cutting, of course, because we only need the broth, okay? So you can either take this vegetable cutting from over here from the pot, or you can use your strainer, okay? And then use it whatever you need the broth for, you know, like noodles, soup, or whatever. So flavor it the way you want to flavor it. And I will show you when I'm ready to use my broth so that you can have an idea. All right, guys, I decided to show you how it looks after I separated the liquid. Like I was saying, I don't want the liquid to be steaming on my face, so I waited until it get really cool off so I can transfer it to containers or container. If you want a big container and you don't have container, you know, I would suggest for you to use Ziploc, a freezer Ziploc, that is, so it won't leak. Speaking of leak, what I do before I put them in here, I would put some water first, being sure it's not leaking. This looks like it's okay. So now we're being sure that it's not leaking. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to use all of this at once because that's a lot of liquid. So I know I only probably gonna use half of it. So that's what I'm saying. So I scoop up some in here, like so. Okay? Boy, all that cuttings that we did, that we infused, man, let me tell you, smells so delightful. If you just have smelly vision, it is so aromatic. I don't know if I mentioned that to you. You can freeze this up to 1 week, but if you just put them in a refrigerator, like I told you, I think I already told you, no more than 4 days. So there you go. One used for later. Okay? So until next time, when you cook with Tita, right here in my kitchen, enjoy my broth. And I always say, bon appetit. Bye.